It's a nice room. Just got here in Hoi An. This is why I love mornings. Only the locals are up, heading to work. Beautiful. It's probably already 25 degrees at least, muggy. This place was just rocking last night. People everywhere. It's a holiday today. It's Independence Day. So I imagine it'll be another busy day. I believe on this side of the river is An Hanoi. That's where I'm staying. And then on this side is Hoi An. Beautiful place, but I can't wait to get out of the city and see some of the countryside. We're in the Hoi An market, grabbing our groceries for the cooking class, and it is very busy. Picking up some fresh fruit. Beautiful. Try a few different ones.
Some rambutan.
Okay. And mango
mango sting.
Mango sting. I'm gonna try that. I've never heard of it before. Those are mangoes. This is mango sting. And I'm gonna try some of these. Lots of different things. The grapes are huge. Grapes look delicious. Off to go start cooking. I'm the only one in the cooking class. We took a boat out to this little town. It's nice and quiet out here. I highly recommend cooking classes when you travel. We went to the market and got all the food. It was hectic, but you learn and you get to try some different fruits, seasonings. You see the seasonings in a raw form in the markets here, like the pepper was still on the vine. A little different. Beautiful little spot here though. 100 times better than being in a city. Now, but I'm in Hanoi, the Bespoke Hotel. These little dried apricots are amazing. Nice room. They had the air conditioner going since 10 this morning, he said, to keep it cool for me, because I've been sweating my ass off walking around. Shower. Up on the 10th floor, I believe. What kind of view we got? A view of buildings. I'm gonna really be happy when I get out of the cities. Okay, I'm at the restaurant at the hotel, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Hot pot. I picked this one. I don't know. I'm not sure what I got myself into. All this stuff, a whole bunch of mushrooms. Egg yolk to dip the beef in or something. Interesting. See how this goes. Seconds. The rest of the stuff, I just need the meat. Dip it in egg yolk. A little bit of broth. And then you're up. This is the breakfast layout. Pancakes. Asparagus and seafood. A couple different things than we usually have, for sure. Steamed dumplings for breakfast. You betcha. Potato skins. Steamed beef, vegetables. Lots of variety. Little Tex-Mex omelets. This is their sausages. And of course bacon. You guys making omelets? Okay, this is the start of the hike. Just beautiful. These mountains are a little different than home. Limestone mountains. This is the whole setup here for the hike. It's going to be very busy, but 500 stairs, he says, to go up there. See you at the top. Well, we just started, and I'm dying already. Halfway up. That's the lower viewpoint over there. This fat guy's having a tough time, but it's hot. It's darn hot. Okay, this is the top. I'm holding on to a dragon for dear life.
But we made it.
Say cheese. Okay, let's get this puppy. Can we just rip it in half? Ooh, lots of seeds.
Is that good?
It's not bitter. It's
Sour.
good. It's good.
Bitter. Bit sour.
It's not sour.
It's sour, no?
I thought it'd be juicier. Okay, well this is lunch. I'm not even hungry. And I think he said I have 3 more dishes coming. Okay, the chicken came. The fish is fucking amazing. I don't know if they just pulled it out of their koi pond or what, but it's so good. Very crunchy. We dip it in here.